Hi, my name is Josh Bayles, and I live here in Fairbanks. Originally, I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan. I graduated last spring with my undergraduate in emergency management here from UAF. And over the summer, I took some classes, not towards emergency management. And then in the fall, I thought a good fit for myself would be secondary education with intent of teaching high school. But about halfway through the semester, I realized that really wasn't working. So I came back into the emergency management plan, and I started my master's this semester. Thinking back about some of the different stuff, during the time I spent in the military, I did a lot of different security of sites and assess vulnerability and things. I was assigned or tasked, depending on what operations were, when we went overseas to assess our sites for the different vulnerabilities. So I have a little bit of background, but it was more of a military side in a defensive perimeter as opposed to a environmental or other types of vulnerabilities. This semester, I look forward to learning more about that and how to integrate the different systems into how we operate on the civilian side, and knowing that with the current situations that we also would be expected to possibly work with National Guard or active duty military, depending on the situation, for different threat levels or emergency situations. My fun fact myself is I'm the guy that most all the other veteran students get to talk to whenever they call over to the DMVS office. So this is the face with the person that you see or hear all the time when you call and ask questions or complaints. I look forward to interacting with all of you guys and learning more about it as the semester goes on. Have a great night.